Hey thotties, so today I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial. It's currently, what time is it? Like 11, and I just slept for 15 hours. So like, I'm not tired and I'm not gonna go to sleep anytime soon, maybe anytime ever again. So I figured like, why not do a makeup tutorial? Okay, so first, I'm going to take the NARS concealer and like fix my under eyes because they're ugh. But it's like not the right color for me because it's like winter. Oh yeah, and I put it on my eyelids as like primer because I just don't have primer. And I'm gonna cover this pimple. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is a beauty blender. It's blue because it was limited edition, but it was like still $20. And I thought the blue was pretty, so I'm gonna take, okay, I don't even know what brand this is. This like face powder stuff. And I'm not even using the right brush, but I just like don't care anymore. I think I wanna try doing like purple and pink. Oh my god. Okay, I guess I'll like start with the purple. So I'm gonna take Bone Fresco from the Anastasia modern renaissance palette, and everyone like thought that the way that I said Anastasia was really funny, so I'm just gonna keep saying it like that because I need these. Yeah, and I'm just putting it like in my crease as sort of like a transition shade. I'm sorry I'm not like funny. I had like such a panic attack like earlier today, so I'm like a little drained. I also like haven't drank any water in like 20 hours. I'll probably just edit in some funny music and then people will be like, haha, comedy. I'm gonna eat this nice lollipop. For this, I used the MAC 217. Next, I'm gonna take Rogue from the Distortion palette, this one. And I'm gonna put that like towards the outside of my eye. And now I'm gonna use my weird like Sephora brand brush. Okay, next, I'm gonna take, Trash Talk, this one, with my Lancome brush, like more towards the middle, but not quite in the middle of my eyelid. It's like my like middle shade. Okay, next, I'm gonna take this pink color from the Blushed Neutrals palette on this brush. You just like can't like see it. What? I'm gonna go back in with both the purples. Whoa, because you just like can't can't see them. Well, that's what it looks like. Okay, it like kind of looks like I was like punched in the face. Like, it's fine, whatever. I'm gonna take Mind Game from the Distortion palette and put it like here. Spray the brush. Spray the brush. And then like to be super edgy and like I'm gonna put blue under my eyes because you know like space. That's not what I'm going. Yeah, I'm taking 5.0. So this random Lancome palette that I stole from my mom has a really pretty blue color. So, oh. Yeah, I'm kind of done. Should I do like fun stuff? Like I feel like this is still boring. I think I have blue eyeliner. Oh, I was right. Let's go crazy. Okay, so this is the L'Oreal Infallible Paint Blue Liquid Eyeliner. Like, actually, it's Vivid Aqua /304. Go get it at your local CVS. Like some fun stars. So like first for my star, I'm gonna draw like a plus sign and then like fill it in with those like swoopy strokes, you know? It just like isn't even, but that's all right. And then I'm gonna make like dots. I'm gonna try to make like a regular, like a 5-pointed star. Like, I don't know how that's gonna work. I hate it. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna use marshmallow on this e.l.f. highlighter brush. Oh, it's a blush brush. Oops. Lovely. Now I'm gonna go over the stars because the highlighter kind of covered them. And last but not least, I'm gonna use the Kopari lip glossy on my lips, and I'm not gonna put on lipstick or anything because they're already kind of red from this lollipop. Yeah, I can't. What do I do with my lollipop? I really like this lip gloss, and you can get it for $12 at Sephora, and it comes with a lot of it, so, and it smells really nice, so I definitely recommend. It's really thick. Ouch! It's I don't know. It's really nice. Thanks for watching. What do I even want to call this? It's excuse me, trendy, alien, spacey looking thing. I don't know what this is. Blue and pink and purple. Yeah. Lols, I forgot to put on mascara once again.